Hello, guys. Welcome back to this wonderful WordPress developer course. In this video, we're going to be focusing on creating your first WordPress blog post. So let's get right into it. Uh, you- for you to do that, you come to your dashboard on your WordPress page, admin. You're going to see this plus button here. There are two ways. You can click this link. This is new post, or you come down to posts, add new. So whichever one is gonna work. So let's get right to it. So there are few key things you need to know about creating a blog posts. With respect to the previous video, we talked about content strategy. So after you're done with your content strategy, you're gonna now develop how periodic you want to be posting your content. Is it weekly? Is it daily? Is it monthly? But I'll advise in a week at least twice a week. Nowadays there are a lot of tools out there to help you generate content to avoid plagiarism and copyright issues in the online space. So let's get right into it. First of all, like I said in the previous video, I want to start with benefits of the product or service, which in this sense, my client here is a rice company, so benefits of rice. But that won't be a catchy keyword, come to think of it. So I went on to Google search. Anything you're confused in on this online space, always try to use a Google search to better understand. There are a lot of advices out there, there are a lot of links to great resources that can help you out in your endeavor. So I just searched title generator. I saw this, I've not used it before, it's my first time. And I saw this one from SEMrush. Everyone knows SEMrush. And just put in your keywords just to generate catchy clickbaity titles. These are things that appear on your Google page. Like when someone search that particular keyword, you might come out on the first page if you're that lucky, or that keyword is that good and it hasn't been used by someone. So I believe this website uses an AI, it's powered by AI to be able to generate tons of titles for you. Just click a button. I already have like wonderful title. Fascinating benefits of rice, taxes that can help your business grow. No, that's not what I want. I just want to write benefits of rice. Like, why is rice a good thing to eat? You know, truth about benefits of rice in 3 minutes. Okay, okay. Meanwhile, let me still test SEMrush title generator. So really stop wasting time and start benefits of rice. No, get the most out of benefits of rice. And no. What benefits of rice don't want to know? No. See, benefits of adventures. Wow. Okay, let's check this one. All this is AI, man. Just gotta implement your intuition and initiative here when you're trying to select things, not to look without the church of feeling, because you're reaching out to human beings and not, you get the point. Unlocking the benefits of rice, the comprehensive there. What are the benefits of eating rice? Okay. How can rice improve your health? Okay, I think I'll go with this. I'll go with this. I love this title. So this is Gutenberg Block Editor. There are a lot of block editors out there. Sorry, there are a lot of editors out there. We have WP, Berkeley Page Builder. We also have Classic Editor, which is just a default, it's a week for you to add media and content and text. But this is Gutenberg block editor. This is the each team has its own default editor that can be compatible with it. You just can't use all editors and all themes. It works somehow. So in this space, we're gonna paste in the title. What are the benefits of eating rice? Already I've generated my content elsewhere on my page. So I'm just gonna copy it and bring it to my Gutenberg editor. So we start by adding a block. paragraph. Yeah, I just want to add paragraph. Please let it. Voila, everything is uh, everything is out. So I'm just gonna do some little formatting here. Nope, nope, nope. It's supposed to be 2%. You guys don't want. You know what I want. I think I'll just bullet points. Because I don't know why. For some reasons it's not numbering. It's not numbering them. It's descending order. Ascending order. I mean, it's, bullet How are you not sure? Yeah. So I can make all these points. I can make them bold to add some flow to it. Sometimes just get impatient with this some of the CMS. That's how patient just have to be. Just sometimes clicking some things, some shortcuts that works in Microsoft Word also works here, like Control B. Just make this bold. So I'm just not going to waste the time on this video. It's just going to be a very, very, very easy concept about creating WordPress. First WordPress post. Okay, okay, not all the time. There are other editors out there that are very, very easy and more convenient than this, like Elementor. I really recommend that. But like I said, this particular thing, this is this is this is what is obtainable in block editor. So just give me a minute. I'm just gonna bold all the points and we move on. So I'm done with that. That I have a wonderful title. What are the benefits of eating rice? And this is my content. So I'm just gonna move on. This is your Yoast SEO plugin. Like I said, Yoast SEO. SEO is short form for search engine optimization. As you can see the screenshot here, this is how results comes out in Google, just like this title generator. As you can see here, this is the meta tag you're seeing here. So I have to put in content so that people, whenever they search this keyword, they get to see me. I'm lucky, or if my content or title is that clickbaity, like I said earlier. So give it a focus key phrase. It uses color codes to tell you if your SEO is good or not. If it's green, then it's wonderful. So if it's orange, it's average. If it's red, it's poor. So as you can see, you also have readability tab, but I won't focus on that. Just want to give you guys a brief on how to generate a WordPress post. So mind you guys, I'm sure you people might encounter some issues here. So always feel free to reach out. Always feel free. Depending on the thing you're using, this place can be different from what you see now, but it's basically the same thing. It will show you where the whistle read where you can drop your content. There's always place for title. Then there's always where you have some of these other functionality or options for you to just customize your post. So this URL doesn't want to. I want to edit the slug. Slug are just like what happens in the search bar here in the browser. Remember, not camel case, the capital letter, just small. Uh, alphabets separated with hyphen. So I don't know why it's not allowing me to edit it. So in the meantime, I'll publish it and I'll come back and I'll edit it. So there's another thing here you need to understand. Featured image. Featured image looks like the first image the users see whenever they visit a post. So just like the title generators I showed you guys, there's also an online version of Photoshop. It does a very pretty good job. So um, I just selected settings of featured image size, width and size. Remember, this is not a design course, so I don't need to explain anything here. But I'm just trying to show you guys there are a lot of tools that you can leverage on nowadays to create content. It's no longer like as hard as it was before. So once you select your width and height, you click the create button. So basically, I just want to design something catchy, and I think I'll do that later since this is taking time. In the meantime, I'm just gonna search keyword rice. Select any picture there. Okay, it's top already. Do something good today. And go to images and something more. Mind you, any stage you are in this video, and you're confused, just do what to pause and go back to get what you want. Okay, I love this. I love this. Jollof rice. This is Nigerian jollof rice. So I'm gonna copy the image. Okay, it's open right over here. Control V, paste it, and basically just want the basic featured image. So, like I said, you guys want a design course, you can basically request it. But for now, I'm not going to explain anything I'm doing here. But this tool, you can use it to generate featured images straight right in the browser without going to any standalone software. So I'm just going to copy this title here. Paste it here. Increase the font size and color. Yep, yep, yep. It's looking nice. And that's good. So now how it looks around, yeah, it's good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it. That's just it. So export this as a picture. Select it. Nice one. Another thing I want to talk about is please mind the size of images you use on your website. This is very, very important. It affects the user experience on the site. Okay, look at this picture I'm about to export now. It's about 67 kilobytes. I try to put all my pictures below 100 KB limit so that whenever a user is visiting your site, it's going to be very, very fast, even on a slow network. So that's what I would advise anyone to do. So I'm done with the featured image. So I'm going to set it here. I go like this. Upload files. short email. I mean, I'm supposed to put logo on it, ask to show me the handles, but now I don't have time for that. Let's just get ahead of this. Okay, let's give it time. Maybe it's not implemented now. So we're done with that. So the next thing we need to do is categories. So for now, I'm just gonna put select latest use for tags. Yeah, let me just add in tag spinner, feeds or rice. That's all. Eat rice every day. And let me forget very much. I think, guys, with this, we're done. We're done with this. Now, this is a nice looking blog post. So you can see the featured image comes up even on your search engine result pages, which is SERP. So I'm just gonna click publish. But one thing I would like to advise anyone to do is click preview before you publish so that you see how post looks. In case you have other plugins like that shares automatically to your social media handles or send RSS feeds or email to subscribers, I would suggest you click the preview button first so that you get to see how your post looks like. Okay, okay, nice. Okay, I'm gonna disable title. I'm gonna disable the title. I felt the featured image was supposed to come here. But since it didn't come, it's a very small thing to do. Let's disable the title of the featured image, export it again to get what I want. So you see, now the preview just saved me a mistake of custom. I might have not checked that. Okay. So back to this, and maybe just delete this. It's not there anymore. Yep. Then I'll preview again and see how it looks. Well, I would like to say a big thank you for watching my course up to this stage. That shows you have the tenacity and you're willing to make a fortune for yourself. Nice, nice. This is looking very nice. So I think that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.